welcome to Davao. So
Thank
you're
you
so
po.
pretty. Kikilig ko, nakulwan ko. Oh my God. So, Belle, oh my God. So this is my question. How do you stay motivated when things feel really tough? So what advice can you give to help us push through and keep going beyond?
Thank you po. First, I'd also like to acknowledge that up to this point, there are days that I feel so unmotivated, and that's totally normal. But I think the person who keeps me motivated all the time is my mom. Yeah, so yun nga, our environment is such a big factor as well. And I think when it comes to like those times where you actually feel like um, tama ba itong ginagawa ko? You question yourself. Okay lang na magpahinga. Okay lang na we breathe. But then we also have to acknowledge and to take action. To take action to be better, to do better, and to take action to believe in ourselves. Because that's when the movement starts, you know. Believing in yourself and just acknowledging, okay, I have to do something about this. Diba? So, yeah.
That is so true. Kasi, Belle, do you believe ba that the challenge doesn't come to you if you're not prepared for it?
Yes.
Diba?
Yes.
Like you said, timing
But
is
you know,
everything
over-preparing is also bad.
It's also bad.
Over-preparing sometimes is also bad because we don't, parang hina-anticipate na natin what's for us. But it's also nice to mag-enjoy, but at the same time, to take life seriously. So we have to find that good balance. And it's easier said than done, but you'll get there, we'll get there.
Yes, the thing is, you cannot get there unless you keep trying and unless you're willing to fail, even if it's failing publicly, correct? So you cannot gather all of these learnings. Hindi nyo magigets lahat ng sinasabi ng beautiful ladies natin dito kung hindi nyo pa napagdaanan. At hindi nyo mapagdadaanan if you don't try. If you don't go out of your comfort zone, if you don't get up on stage, if you don't speak into the microphone. Diba? All of these little things build up to all of these wonderful life lessons. Thank you so much, ladies, for sharing all of these wonderful questions with us. We have one more question from the audience. Can I have DJ Ariana?
Hi, Miss Belle.
Hello po.
So, my question is, as a teen, social media and societal expectation can it make it hard to truly love yourself? How do you stay true of who you are, and what advice do you have for embracing the authentic self despite the pressures around you?
I think we shouldn't seek our identity kasi through social media or through these voices around us that add nothing, no value to our lives because we know our own value, right? It's the people, my mom who gave birth to me, those people, those are the people, those voices are the ones that matter. You guys, my supporters, those are the voices that matter. And it's important we know how to define which one we listen to and what do we not listen to. Because again, by the end of the day, you find your identity within yourself and also within God, not through the people you don't even know, these troll accounts on social media. So that's it.
That is so true, guys. Palakpakan nyo naman si Belle. So it is very important to know who to listen to and who to ignore. If we can filter the people, we can mute people online, it's more important to learn how to mute and filter the voices that we listen to talaga.
Yes, and
diba?
also know how to define like what comments will benefit you and what not to. Because some of these comments naman, some of them, they can say it with care, say it gently, and at the same time, you can take it as constructive, push you to be better, but at the same time, you know how to define those voices that really don't matter anymore.
That is so true. So ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan po natin ang ating mga beautiful queens here on stage. Thank you so much for sharing with us such deep insights, no? Quite clearly, you gals have gone through it, have survived, and I'm hoping that for the rest of your lives, you continue to bloom, you continue to show our friends in the audience how important it is na just like the flowers that are surrounding us, in life, though we keep on growing, it's important to prune, filter, it's important to assess what matters and what adds a value to our lives. So thank you so much to everyone for your inspiring stories. Maraming salamat. And now, I would like to invite our guests and of course, our CAC family for a photo opportunity here on stage. But before that, palakpakan ng napakalakas! Show them guys your love! Ayan ang Davao Energy. Siyempre guys, huwag nyo rin kakaliputang i-follow on Instagram, Facebook, and everywhere else ang ating guest speakers, sila Jinky B and si Ria Pelayo. Thank you so much for sharing your stories about self-confidence, going beyond, and shining through life. We would like to call on the CAC family at the center. A photo at the center with the CAC family on stage po. CAC family. We'd like to request the CAC family on stage. And of course, if you would like to hear more inspiring stories, check out the new series, Juicy TV, Sweetness Speaks, on Juicy Cologne's YouTube channel. Join Bel Mariano and the Juicified Sweet Shiners for some fun and inspiration. Subscribe to Juicy Cologne on YouTube and hit the notification bell to stay updated on new videos. For the sweetest